Joseph, you're not gonna make it.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna block you.
Who's that?
What? Oh, wait. Hey! Smash! That's not fair. You cheated, Joseph.
Wait, no, I didn't, dude.
You distracted me. You made me look somewhere else.
You're not better than me, dude. You just suck.
Joseph, it's hot out here.
I know, dude. I'm sweating.
I wish we could play basketball. Why punch all over? He's a monster.
Wait, why would he do that?
I don't know, but look, he left a note saying he did it.
Oh, that cocky bitch! Oh, you know what? Give this to him. Right here.
What? The football? Why would I give him a football?
Yes, give him the football. Just tell him to hold it. Just tell him to hold it, damn it.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna get his ass back. This lasagna looks so good. Oh, my God. I think I'm in love. Oh, yes, I'm in love.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
What do you want, Junior?
Dad wants you to hold this football.
Wait, hold a football for what?
I don't know. He just told me to tell you to hold it.
Okay, give it here. Why would he want me to hold the football? Hey, Blue 42! Set! Hi! What the? Bowser, what was that for? For ruining my couch! Wait, what are you talking about? Come and see, you idiot! See, Chef BB, look at what you did! Aw, Bowser, come on! You know I didn't do this. This was obviously Junior. See, I thought the same thing until I saw this note that said I did it, signed Chef Pee-Pee. Bowser, why would I sign my name with a hairy dick? Oh no, probably because your name's Chef Hairy Dick. Look, I don't care. You're gonna buy me a new couch, and I'm taking it out of your pay. Oh, come on, Bowser. I only get paid 25 cents a week. Well, now you're gonna get paid 25 cents a year.